In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make programs on Trainerize. We'll keep it simple and clear, so you can build a professional program from start to finish without missing anything. Start by logging in to the Trainerize web app. On the left-hand menu, click Programs, then click the plus Add Program button. You'll see a few different program types. Custom Program lets you build everything from scratch and is perfect for 4 to 12-week transformations where you want full control over the calendar. Weekly Training Plan repeats the same schedule each week and works well for memberships where clients follow a consistent routine. On-Demand Program is non-scheduled, ideal for a video library or a collection clients can access anytime. If you want a structured plan with clear weeks and progression, choose Custom Program. Next, name your program. Add a clear title, a helpful description, a goal like fat loss, strength, or beginner, and set the duration. 4, 8, or 12 weeks are common. When you're ready, click Create Program. Phases are optional but highly recommended. They help you organize your plan into blocks and show progression. Click Add Phase, give it a name, like Week 1-4. Foundations, and set the number of weeks. Repeat for additional phases such as hypertrophy, strength conditioning, or a deload. This structure makes your program easier to follow and coach. Now build your workouts. Inside each phase, click Add Workout. Choose the format that fits your design, workout builder, circuit, interval, or a custom video. Add exercises from the Trainerize library, then adjust the details, sets, reps, tempo, rest, and RPE. Save the workout and repeat until every week in the phase is complete. With your workouts ready, schedule them on the calendar. Open the Calendar tab inside the program and drag each workout onto the right day. Repeat for each week and add optional items like cardio sessions, stretching routines, mobility days, rest days, or habits to create a balanced weekly flow. If you use habits or coaching tasks, click Add, then Habit, and add items like drink 2L water, hit protein target, steps goal, or daily check-in. These appear in your client's daily app view and reinforce consistency. Before publishing, click Preview. Scan for missing workouts, unscheduled weeks, awkward flow, duplicate repetitions, or overlaps. Make any corrections now. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your program is now in your program library. To deliver it, either assign it to a client by going to Clients, selecting the client, clicking Assign Program, choosing a start date, and confirming, or sell it by going to Payments, then Products, creating a product, attaching your program, setting a one-time or subscription price, and publishing.